So basically, I'm just making up a warm up right now. Like I said before, I don't know what key this is in because I don't have a piano in front of me, but I'm gonna give it a try. Okay, so here it is. So after me, Miss Chris is gonna be following me. Okay, Kristen. All right. So again. Okay, so just made that up. We're gonna try that once again. So the object is to really train the ear to make sure that you can hear if your pitch is going a little bit flat or a little bit sharp. So we are doing this to perfect our pitch, and nice and slowly, because we can speed it up at any time. Okay, we can speed it up, but we want to take it nice and slowly so that we can get the vocal dexterity and like it's a muscle memory type of a thing, okay? And also it's training the ear. That's the most important part, okay? So we're gonna try this again, just a little bit faster. 7, 8. And I just added the harmony on there. Okay, so that's another vocal warm-up for you. Find out what key it is, and you can find that out for yourself. Okay, all right, peace.